How do we add numbers with regrouping? Let's practice. We have 25 plus 6. We will use the place value chart and the blocks to solve for this. So we have 25 blocks plus 6 blocks. Now we will add first the ones. How many blocks are there in the ones? Yes, 11 blocks. But we can still make group of 10 in 11 blocks. So let's group. Let's put together the 10 blocks to make one group of 10 and then transfer it in the tens place. Now, how many ones left? 1. How many groups of 10 blocks are there? 3. Okay, we can also solve this without the blocks. Let's use the place value chart. 25 plus 6. Let's add the ones. 5 plus 6 equals 11. Again, we cannot write 11 in the ones place, so we need to regroup. We will put the 110 in the tens place. And then, let's now add the tens. 1 plus 2 equals 3. So 25 plus 6 equals 31. Next, let's have 11 plus 9. So we will use the place value chart and the blocks. 11 blocks plus 9 blocks. Let's add the ones first. 1 plus 9 equals 10. But we cannot write 10 in the ones place. Let's look at the blocks in the ones. Can we make group of 10? Yes. We will put together the 10 blocks to make one group of 10 and then transfer it in the tens place. Now, how many ones are there? 0. How many groups of 10 blocks are there? 2. Okay, this time we will solve without the blocks. 11 plus 9. You should write 9 in the ones place. Okay, let's add the ones. 1 plus 9 equals 10. But we are not allowed to write 10 in the ones, so we need to regroup. We will transfer 110 in the tens place. Then add the tens now. 1 plus 1 equals 2. So 11 plus 9 equals 20. Another example. We have 18 plus 16. Let's have 18 blocks plus 16 blocks. Now, let's add the ones first. 8 plus 6 equals 14. But we need to regroup. Let's make group of 10. Okay? So, since we can still make group of 10 from the 14 blocks, then we will now put together the 10 blocks to make group of 10 and transfer it in the tens place. How many ones do we have now? 4. How many groups of 10 blocks do we have? 3. All right. Let's solve without the blocks. 18 plus 16. Let's start from the ones. 8 plus 6 equals 14. But we need to regroup. So we need to put the 110 in the tens place. And then we will add 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 1 equals 3. So 18 plus 16 equals 34. Alright, how about in 16 plus 19? So we have 16 blocks plus 19 blocks. Let's add the ones. 6 plus 9 equals 15. Okay, now we can still make group of 10 in the ones. So let's make group of 10 because we are not allowed to write 15 in the ones. So there. And then put together the 10 blocks to make one group of 10 and transfer it in the tens place. Now, how many ones do we have? 5. How many groups of 10 blocks do we have now? 3. Okay. Next, we will solve without the blocks. 16 plus 19. 6 plus 9 equals 15. But this is not the right way to write the answer. We need to regroup. We will transfer 110 in the tens place. And then add the tens. 1 plus 1 equals 2 plus 1 equals 3. So 16 plus 19 equals 35.